Hello. Today we'll be making some chicken fajita wraps. So stay tuned for the recipe. The ingredients that you'll need are some green peppers, onions. I prefer using these big white onions. And then I use some of these button mushrooms. Again, your preference on the mushroom. And here I have some marinated chicken breasts with like garlic, salt and pepper, paprika, cayenne, and cumin. And then I have some wrap. This one up to your liking, to be honest. The wrap types, yeah. So yeah, these are all the ingredients. Very simple and easy. With a bit of olive oil or any type of oil, put the chicken in. Let the chicken cook for a bit. And then you can start adding the mushrooms. And let the mushrooms and the chicken just get together. It's gonna smell really nice right now. And then add the onions. Here I'm using some mushroom seasoning. It's a replacement for like chicken cubes or something. So yeah, you can use whichever seasoning you like. And then top it off with the bell peppers and let it cook. The smell is gonna be amazing of the cumin and the marinated chicken. To assemble it, I usually like to go with sriracha sauce and then wrap them up and put it in a dry pan and just to make it more crispy. And then here is the outcome. So it's super crispy on the outside and super nice, tasty with the chicken and the mushroom and the bell peppers, onions, and the sriracha sauce. So yeah, enjoy!